These women who have fought, who are still fighting, and we are still continuing this fight. Cancer is, I wish cancer would get cancer and die.
Love it.
I wish cancer would get cancer and die. But we have to fight. We cannot stop. We cannot stop. We have to keep pushing. Have to keep fighting. No matter how, we have to do it. And we have to support. And we have to be out there. I have friends who are breast cancer survivors. My husband is a cancer survivor. He had melanoma. And he has been clean for the past, 13 years. So, and climbing. So, we have to be there for each other. We have to be there for everybody. So this next song, I want you to sing to the top of your absolute lungs. You understand what I'm saying? Marianne. When them fly up in your face, let them know them place. Number one in the race, gal. Independent and you're strong, gal. Fit and healthy, living real long. Free yourself, girl. You got class and you got pride. Come together, cause we're stronger. Let me hear you sing. Roll it, roll it, roll it, gal, roll it, gal. When them start to talk and chat, girl, let them know you believe in Father God, girl. Strength and wisdom you must have, girl. Liberate yourself and live, girl. Thank the Father that you're born and still alive. If you feel me, ladies, I want to hear you sing. Lecture and take care of your pity. Can you work hard to make your money? Roll it down. If you know you're smart and you're sexy, never let them abuse your body. Show it up, girl. Oh yeah. Roll it, Carla. Yes.
Yeah.
Roll it, Carla.
Yeah.
All my ladies, all my ladies, all my ladies, all my ladies.
Yeah.
See, roll it, roll, roll it, roll. Show me the road, show me the road.
Take time, Ali. Take time, Ali.
Show me the road, show me the road. Roll, roll, roll. Roll it, gal. Free yourself, gal. You got class and you got